requested Lionel to help us resolve the garbage crisis in the city of Manila. We went around. So far, I can honestly assess for the past 8 hours, we are about 50-55% in just one day with regard to garbage crisis in the city. But as we speak, we continue to collect the garbage as many as we can. And I've seen some places like Rizal Avenue, both sides, boundary sa Arpapa, and Wanluna, Kapulong, and some other areas na meron pang tambak ng basura. But generally, marami ng area nakuha thanks to Lionel, free of charge. But in the same manner, more than the cleanliness of our city, yung pinangako natin kapanatagan na may bibigay sa ating mga kababayan sa through the leadership of General Guzman, our district director, and the men and women uniform personnel of the FP. Ito, naglagay na kami ng cordon. Base na rin na kung maalala ninyo, nag-abiso dati about 2 weeks ago, si General Torre ng Chief PFP ng mga police must be present in the street, in the community. Ito hindi lang daytime, in also nighttime here in the city of Manila. And if you go around through the direction of General Guzman, most of the major thoroughfares and some streets in Manila with regard to entry and exit within our jurisdiction, makikita ng ating mga mamamayan yung presensya ng Manila Police District. And those PCPs are precincts in the respective community, gagalaw ang lahat ng. So in line with that directive, the local government of Manila trying to sink in our action in regard to peace and order sa direktiba rin ng national government. So dito nagkakasundo kami in thoughts, in action, and siyempre yung ating mga kababayan sa lungsod more than anything else. In our own little way, with the help of the Manila Police District, mapapanatag yung kalooban nila. Kanina nga doon sa Arten nakangiti na yung mga truck drivers. Dahil siguro magdadalawang isip na yung mga akyat truck doon. Sinabi ko sa kanila, bilang na yung panahon ng alakak nila. It's either umimas sila ng malamig na bakal o umiyak sila dahil yohoyo talaga namin yung mga yan. We will not tolerate. In fact, meron kaming ginagawa ngayon. Kinukuha namin yung mga past months, lalo na yung last year, na mga krimen sa Maynila na nakuha na ng CCTV. And maybe, ang feeling nila, nakaligtas sila, you cannot escape the long arm of the law. We will implement things. And doon sa mga nabiktima, sa nakaraan, at hindi pa kayo nakatikim ng hustisya, through the leadership of General Guzman, and the men and women, officers and police of Manila, we'll do our best to keep the city orderly and to create certainty in the city. Pumanatag po kayo. Kinakailangan din naman matulog. And so lobby nawa ng Diyos na bigyan kami ng lakas ng mga ito. But I'm happy with General Guzman.
Actually, Waller, this is the first time na
first time ko rin kasi nag-assume kanina tangali. Sa Maynila, noong panahon ko nung una kong termino, sanay na yung mga Tagalog. Kaya nga pinipilit ko maibalik na sila'y matutulog ng mahimbing. At pati ang mga anak nilang umuwi, kanina, kita mo, binati ko nga doon, mga galing sa trabaho, we'll try to do our best in our own little way. It's not going to be perfect, but I assure you,
office ni
May gobyerno sa Maynila 24 oras. The leasing that we can do in our own legal way.
Yung mga presto po kung Jimmy,
Sure.
So it's okay. Paano po sir, paano po yung
First, no? Yung portang sa na nakakalat based on conservative assessment in terms of volume. I think naka 55% na rin. But there's still some pulo-pulo o isla-islang basura. But rest assured, Lionel will not stop. As we speak, no, still collecting all those garbage. And hopefully, ang tansya namin mga 3 days, babalik na sa normalization. Hopefully. But we'll cross the bridge when we get there. But for the meantime, General Guzman and I and some members of city government, we saw some areas pa rin na may pulo-pulo pa rin na basura.
Sir, meron na po ba tayong napiling garbage collector?
Wala pa. Bukas, hindi pa tayo ng otoridad sa Konseho ng Maynila. We will do it legally. While I'm empowered under Section 16 of the Local Government Code, I don't want to abuse that section. We try to do the process. But for the meantime, pinagpapasalamat ko na rin sa Lionel. Walang tosgas ngayong araw na ito. At hindi naman sa you can go around. Medyo umaliwalas na, no? Bawasan na. But I wanted to do faster. Kasi baka pag bumagsak yung ulan, dadaluyong na naman yung basura. Yun ang hinahabol ko. But I think 2-3 days from now, we'll release an executive order directing our City Engineering Office na kalikutin lahat ng informal ng Luzon. No? Kasi yung ibang basura, sumama na eh. So we will do that. For the meantime, yun nasa ibabaw. Bago abutan ng ulan. Pag nakakuha yung solid material, ibabaw, papasok naman kami sa ilalim ng lupa.
So, Norman, where is the next day na nakasama yung media para yun na po?
Ayoko naman na itip sa inyo eh. Basta, I do want to do this randomly. But I'm happy you guys being here dahil at least nakakatulong namin kayong i-communicate in our own little way with our policemen, members of the city government, na may gobyerno na ulit. We'll do our best. I cannot promise you heaven and earth. It's going to be turbulent, physically, but may awa ang Diyos. Kaya nga laging God first. May awa ang Diyos, mga karami. Okay. See you, Thank you. Ito, nakahabol. Kanina, nag-discover na kami. Nagpaligo na kami sa sampasin yun. Local yun, gagawin.
1, 2, 3.